Today we're making the classic French 75 cocktail with a twist. Stay tuned. If you've never had the French 75 cocktail, je ne comprends pas. We're gonna take this drink up to the next level and add blood orange juice. It's one of my favorite fruits. It's both citrusy, complex, and it plays so well with both the gin and the bubbly in this drink. You're gonna love it. So let's get into it. We're going to take a lemon, and for our garnish, we're gonna squeeze the juice out, but we want to take a big long peel with a vegetable peeler. Actually, we'll take a couple just in case. And this is what we're going to use for our garnish. So then we want to take half of a lemon, squeeze it right into your shaker. I like to use Highclere Castle Gin. It's one of my favorites. So an ounce of that. We're going to do half an ounce of simple syrup. And then a little blood orange juice goes a long way, so we're going to use half an ounce of the blood orange. And you give it a shake. You're going to want to use a champagne flute for this because it's all about the presentation for French 75. So we're going to strain this. You can use champagne if you'd like, but I like to use Prosecco. You can use sparkling wine, Prosecco, Cava, any of the bubblies, your preference. We want to do 3 ounces of bubbly. Make sure it's nice and cold too. Look at that, it's so beautiful. And then we're going to take our lemon twist and basically twist it, and we're going to get some of the oils first around the glass. And then you can either drop it, put it on the side, but I think it looks perfect like that. And here you have it, the blood orange French 75. Look how beautiful that is. I just love the color, the bubbles. It's such a great drink. Now let's give it a taste. Oh, it's so good. I love the gin and the bubbly together. The blood orange just, again, takes it up to another level. It's beautiful to look at. It's a delicious cocktail. I highly recommend it. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching.